Driving down the highway, just you and me, in our big rig, living wild and free. With our two pups in the back, tails wagging bright, we're chasing dreams under the stars at night. Husband and wife, we're a trucking team. Through the ups and downs, we're living the dream. From coast to coast, we deliver the load. Together we ride on this winding road.
Hey y'all, if you're curious about the Exeter lifestyle and you want to give it a shot, reach out to our friends over there at Hyfield. The link's in the description, the number's on the screen. They're a great group of people. They have a fantastic team to support their drivers, and they're there 24/7. So go there and give them a call and let them know that J Squared Expedited sent you. We'd really appreciate it. Good morning, friends and friends of YouTube. How's everybody doing today? Hope everybody's good. Been an interesting morning dealing with traffic. We are in Piscataway, New Jersey, and we're picking up a load, a two-stopper that goes to South Carolina and then ends in Jacksonville, Florida. So that's on the agenda today. We pick up today, deliver tomorrow in South Carolina, and then we could make it to Florida, but it's just the way their appointment time is set up, the way they want us to deliver. They don't want us to deliver twice in the same day due to the shipments that we have, so we got to deliver the next day on Wednesday morning in Jacksonville, Florida. May have to make an unplanned trip to the house, which I'm sure the wife won't mind. I've lost my driver's license. I think it's in this truck, but I'm not sure. The last thing I remember is pulling it out of my pocket when I went to go take a shower, and then putting it, I believe, back in my pocket, but I don't remember. So we may have to make an unplanned trip towards the house to swing in and be able to get me a new driver's license. It's actually not too bad out here today. It's not humid at all. It's just a slight breezy, so not a bad day. Thanks for being here. Thanks for stopping back. I appreciate y'all. Remember, we can move a lot of things across this country, but the one thing we can't move is the growth of this channel without your help. So please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and share this out with your friends. And let's build this community together and show everybody what we do. Just like that, we are loaded. We are heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Total of 264 pounds, 2 skids. I think the skids are taller than the product that we're hauling, but that's what they pay us the big bucks for. So let's get out of here and let's get southbound. We're gonna take 95, I think. Just something different. Here, we already got a backup load after this one. We'll be deadheading up to Atlanta from Jacksonville and going to upstate New York again. So let's get it, get it. crooked. Anyways, good morning, you guys. We'll be here shortly to deliver this. We'll kick the first pallet off. Just like that, we are done. You get a free wash right here from this thing. No, I guess not. Anyways, we are done for the day. We were unloaded. We got to go to a segment, but we can't be there till tomorrow morning. And it's 300 miles there. So, my plan for the day is to mosey on over there, get as close as I want to get, and before we do that, we may stop and take a shower in the process. So that's going to be today on today's agenda. Is shower and then get to Jacksonville, Florida. Let's go. All right, y'all. Well, just got out of the shower. We made it to Florida. We are 2 miles from where we got delivered. 8 o'clock in the morning. So I didn't film much. It's a short little run, nothing but driving. Got to the Loves right here, and there's like one bobtail parking spot, and that was it. And I just so happened to make the turn, and there was a curtain side leaving, so I stole his parking spot, fair and square. And now we wait till morning. Sorry, I'm looking at the TV. It's distracting. Anyway, so we're here, and we are here till morning. Once we deliver, we will deadhead to our next load and pick that up Thursday for a Friday delivery. Good morning, friends. It is the next morning. Been up since Beau told you no. Stay down. Been up since 7. It is now 7:20. We are 1.2 miles away, or 6 minutes from our delivery. I think last night I said 2 miles away. I'm not letting you stick your head out the window. It's too hot and humid. Don't look at me in that tone of voice. No, sir. I said no, sir. Anyways, we're gonna kick this off, and then we're done for the day. Not really done for the day completely, but we still gotta do some driving today, but we'll be done with this load. Been pretty uneventful thus far. This place down here that we're going to, we've been here a few times. They're kind of a pain in the butt for no reason, but it's not terrible to where you don't want to come back. It's just a little annoying. They tell you to be there at 8, and then they want to drag your feet till 8:30 usually, is what happened the last couple times they've been down here. So it's only one skid, literally. It's this big, so I don't know. Hopefully they'll get it off pretty quick. We can get out of here. Alright, y'all, we're done. Signed, sealed, and delivered. It's theirs. Little discrepancy with seal. I don't know. I put on there what they gave me, but they took it. It's theirs. I don't give a shit what they put in the back of this truck. I don't want none of it. It ain't worth it. But we are out of here. We're on our way to our next pickup. Pickup tomorrow. So we'll catch you on that one. It's one that we do on a regular basis, it seems like, which is not a bad thing. But thanks for being here. Thanks for stopping back. Remember, be good to one another and live to expedite another day. We're out, y'all.